In accordance with Article 237 of the Constitution of Kenya, Section 23 of the Teacher Service Commission Act No. 20 of 2012, it is an offense for any person to engage in the teaching service unless such a person is registered as a teacher. In this video, I'm going to take you through the process of application of a teacher registration certificate. Before you start the process of application, ensure that you have the following documents scanned and ready in your flash drive: your identification card, both sides, passport for non-citizens, KRA PIN, payment evidence, GP69 medical letter, certificate of good conduct, transcripts in one PDF, passport photo, affidavit if any of the names differ or miss in the documents, certificate for persons with disability, clearance from the Commission of Higher Education in case you undertook your studies outside the country. To start your application for registration, visit www.tsc.go.ke and select Online Services tab. After clicking on the Teachers Online Services, a new window will appear. In this new window, you'll be required to enter your ID number for citizens or passport number for non-citizens, surname for both citizen and non-citizens, personal mobile number for both citizens and non-citizens, KRA PIN for both citizens and non-citizens, category in which you are applying for registration, that is ECD, primary or post-primary, for citizens only, KCSE grade for citizens only, and the year you search for the KCSE for citizens. Also, you'll be required to provide confirmation that you are a trained teacher for both citizens and non-citizens. After all the details have been provided, you will click Next to go to step 2 that involves the provision of the basic details. In step 2, all the fields are mandatory, hence they must be filled in correctly. Note that the permanent address and the current address must be correct, since this is where the TSC registration certificate will be sent to. After filling all the details in step 2, you'll click Next to save and proceed to step 3. In step 3, all the certificates must be uploaded. That is the primary, secondary, or tertiary certificates, or the equivalent for non-citizens. These certificates must be uploaded for one to proceed to the next step. To upload these certificates, you're supposed to enter details such as the institution type, the institution name, the years you attended the institution, the level, specialization, certificate number, and the certificate year. After filling in all these details, you'll click on Choose File. At this point is where you're supposed to upload the file from your hard drive or your flash drive. After uploading all the certificates, click on Next to proceed to the next step so that you can be able to upload all the other required documents. In step 4, you'll be required to upload all the other documents, that is the ID or the passport, KRA PIN, payment evidence, GP69 medical form, certificate of good conduct, transcripts in one PDF, passport photo, affidavit if any of the names differ or miss in the documents, certificate for persons with disability, and the clearance from the Commission of Higher Education if you undertook your studies outside the country. To upload a document, fill in its details, then choose the respective document from your flash drive or computer, then click Save Document to upload it. You can be able to view the uploaded document by clicking on the View icon, or you can delete the document by clicking on the Delete icon. After repeating this procedure for all the documents, click on Next to move to the final step. In the final step, you'll be required to fill in the scores of the main and other subjects, plus the number of hours trained for each subject. You'll also be required to fill in the payment details. Click on Save and Finalize button to view the summary page. You can print the summary page for record keeping. Your TSC number will be processed within 30 days from the date of submission, and the registration certificate will be mailed to the address you provided. Well, thank you for watching until the end on this simple process of applying for a TSC number.